Okay, we're going to fit a ratchet block. We use some cable ties to compress the spring so we can put the ratchet block on, because it's quite hard to do it without it. So if we use the cable tie to compress the spring, we can use 2 cable ties. And so long as those cable ties don't slip, which they are at the moment, we're on to a winner. There you go, that's better. It's almost like a trap, ready to pounce. Now you can put your pin through and your ring through. And then we can cut our cable ties. Our ratchet block is fitted to our laser or whatever else.